Hey guys, Theo here, and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Nothing says love more than chocolate and strawberries, so I'm gonna show you how to make a chocolate strawberry tart. Let's get started.
In a food processor, blend together your Oreos and melted butter until it is the texture of wet sand. Using a tart pan, transfer your Oreo mixture. Then, using your fingers or the back of a spoon, press your crust into a thin layer. Then, leave in the refrigerator for a few minutes to harden. In a double boiler, melt together your chocolate, milk, coconut oil, and salt. Make sure you don't boil it, just until it is nicely melted. Then, transfer your chocolate mixture to your chilled pie crust. Using the back of a spatula, smooth out your chocolate to a thin layer. Now, take your sliced strawberries and place them into the chocolate. You can make any design. I did a rose-shaped design with a spiral. Then, chill for at least 2 hours or overnight.
Alright guys, once you let this sit in the refrigerator for an hour or so, it's ready to eat. Let's see how it tastes. There's the perfect amount of chocolate and the sweetness from the strawberries with the perfect Oreo crust. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy.